This thing costs less than most gas-powered SUVs, and it's electric, with 312 kilometers of range. That shouldn't be possible at this price point, but here's where it gets interesting. BYD just made one of Europe's cheapest electric SUVs, €29,990 starting price. That undercuts every electric competitor by thousands. The Chery E5? €38,990. The Leapmotor B10? Same price. BYD just walked in and dropped the price floor. But cheap doesn't mean stripped. This thing comes with a 45.1 kilowatt-hour Blade battery, the same tech BYD puts in their premium models. Front electric motor pushing 130 kilowatts and 290 newton meters. 0 to 100 in 7.9 seconds. That's quicker than most people expect from a budget EV. Launches like you've been kicked from behind, and the battery tech is the part nobody's talking about. BYD's Blade battery uses cell-to-body construction. The battery isn't just sitting in the car, it is part of the car's structure. Increases body rigidity by 32%, makes the whole thing safer and tighter to drive. Most budget EVs can't touch that engineering. Inside it feels like something costing way more. Synthetic leather seats, heated steering wheel in the Boost trim, a 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen that swivels between portrait and landscape. Most competitors give you hard plastics and basic screens. This feels like you snuck into a premium cabin. The cabin space is shockingly generous for a 4.3-meter SUV. Thanks to E-Platform 3.0, the battery pack sits flat and compact. That means legroom and headroom that rivals cars a segment up. 400 liters of boot space, expands to 1,340 liters with the seats down. That's IKEA run capable. But here's the catch most people will hit. The charging speed maxes out at 65 kilowatts on DC fast charging. 30 to 80% takes about 28 minutes. Not terrible, but not class-leading either. The Chery E5 charges faster. So does the Leapmotor B10. Range is 312 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. Real world? Expect closer to 250 in mixed driving. That's weekend trip capable, but you'll need to plan longer road trips. The driving feel is surprisingly tight. Steering is weighted like something sportier. Throttle response is instant. You tap the pedal and it lunges forward without hesitation. No lag, no waiting, just go. And it handles city life like it was made for it. Tight turning radius, easy visibility, small enough to squeeze into parking spots that make other SUVs sweat. Safety kit is comprehensive. 6 airbags, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, rear parking sensors standard. Boost gets a 360-degree camera, 6-year, 90,000-mile vehicle warranty, 8-year, 120,000-mile battery warranty. That's competitive with anything in this segment. So what's the play here? BYD just reset the entry point for electric SUVs in Europe. They took premium battery tech, real cabin quality, and solid driving dynamics. Then priced it where budget gas SUVs live. If you want an electric SUV without breaking the bank, this is the new benchmark. It's not perfect. Charging could be faster, range could be longer, but this changes the conversation about affordable EVs in Europe. And speaking of game changers, next time we're diving into a truck that makes absolutely no sense on paper, but somehow works in reality. A luxury-priced workhorse that's rewriting the rules. You won't want to miss that one. Drop a comment and let me know if you'd actually make the jump to the Atto 2. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.